Go.
Hello, we haven't done a video in a while, but today we're back. And today is Mion's birthday, my daughter. So we're making a large batch of spaghetti. I will put in the description on how to make just a single batch, but we're doing 4 batch today. We're doing about 10 pounds of burger and stuff, so we're not going to do a lot of talking today, we're just going to do a lot of cooking. First you brown down the hamburger. I think you guys have seen this, probably not in a walk before, because most people wouldn't think to do this, but I got it around and it's the only thing I know I can do 10 pounds of hamburger in at a time. What do you think, James?
Yeah. Good deal.
Good deal. Here it is.
Sweet 16.
She's 16 today. September 2nd, 2019. As I said, I'm not going to do a lot of talking, just do a lot of cooking. Try to get everything done, because I got people coming in just a couple of hours. And they're all teenagers, so you know they're hungry. They're always hungry.
Get out of the way. I'm gonna get stung, man. Yeah, I'll cut that out.
They don't sting you. Don't you? Even the bees are hungry.
Ugh.
Pasta. We're gonna make spaghetti with meat sauce. Today we're joined by H Gaming on the camera.
And Dark Shadow.
And Dark Shadow in the corner. Notice I don't season my burger. I don't want to season. I let the seasoning do the seasoning, but not the burger. We're going to do some outside, and then we're going to take it inside and do some.
There's some protein in there.
Wait, hey.
And bees are vicious today.
Above your head.
Yeah, I didn't do it, man. I didn't do it. Be gone.
Okay, now we got the hamburger all done. We're in the pan. Now it's time to start adding the veggies. So we're going to add diced tomatoes. Another diced tomato. Guess what? Diced tomato. And one more. To tell you the truth, this is kind of my own little kind of recipe. My parents showed me how to do it a long time ago, and I just readapted it from there. I've honestly made it better, and I like it a lot better. So, stir that up. Then we're going to add tomato sauce. And then I just lost my spoon. Okay. Get that one in. And we're going to add this one now. As I said, we're making a lot. Just a second. wipe off the hands. And we're going to try to stir this stuff up. Well, it's got to be wrapped on the saran wrap first, Tuffy. Got this all stirred up now. So add oregano. We're eyeballing it because I don't remember making this much ever. That's that much oregano. About that much onion powder. And about that much garlic powder. We'll have a description of this, the measurements at the end. So now we're just going to incorporate everything in. Probably help if I turn down the heat. Okay, now I'm going to add the secret ingredient that people don't know too much about, but it's mine. Just a little bit of red pepper flake to give it a little zing, but not to hurt you.
Japanese basil?
Huh?
No Japanese basil?
I don't have any. I wish I had some. Okay. Now, let that warm up. While we're doing that, I'm going to put the lid on it because it's a fun thing to do. We're going to get something else ready over here. Gotta get up to the freezer. I have this. I cheaped out and bought diced. I'm gonna give me a big pan down there, or big pan. That one will work. This one. Oh, turn this down here. Turn this down. Turn this down. It's gonna scorch. Try it. Turn it down to low. Didn't do anything. Okay, we're good. We're good. Trying not to let things scorch because spaghetti sauce will scorch. Thank you, tomatoes. I might need a bigger pan. Let's try a little bit bigger pan there. That one will work. Let's take that. Alright. Let me see my steel hammer. Alright, now we're going to add green pepper. I put it in another pan and I cook it with my onion soup mix. That way the green pepper and the onion get cooked about the same time. And it's not all hard, you know. I hate hard veggies in my spaghetti sauce. just not how you do things. So yeah, I had 2 bags of onions, 2 bags of green pepper, and you kind of figure out what the dogs are barking at, but you really try not to care, because they're dogs, they're gonna bark. Now that we got a nice thing of onions, and I dumped some on me, now we're going to come up here and grab the onion soup mix. This onion soup has a nice flavor to it, and it has like beef bouillon. It really does make the sauce. All right, now we're at the point where we add this stuff. Just dump it all in. The broth helping flavor everything, and get all these veggies, and we incorporate. Stir it all in. That is the most spaghetti sauce I've ever made. And it's fun because I'm bringing everybody along. Second. Okay, now all we gotta do is make the noodles and tweak the seasonings, and we'll be back for a taste test.
What was your opinion?
It was really good. My favorite part was garlic bread. I don't know if he shows that in the video, but that was my favorite part.